Intro. Welcome to today's episode, where we dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, particularly focusing on the crucial topic of building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline. Whether you are a data scientist, an engineer, or just someone interested in AI, understanding how to efficiently move your models from development to production is essential. In this video, we'll explore the various steps involved in creating a robust AI deployment pipeline and how continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD, play an integral role in streamlining the entire process. Section 1: Understanding the AI Model Lifecycle. Before we begin discussing the deployment pipeline, it's important to understand the AI model lifecycle. The lifecycle usually consists of several key phases: data collection, data preprocessing, model training, model evaluation, and finally model deployment. Each phase is critical and must be carefully executed to ensure that the model performs well in real-world applications. In the initial phase, data collection, you gather the raw data that will be used to train your model. This data can come from various sources like databases, APIs, or even web scraping. Once you have your data, the next step is data preprocessing, where you clean and transform the data to make it suitable for training. This may include handling missing values, normalizing data, and encoding categorical variables. Moving on to model training, this is where the magic happens. You select an appropriate algorithm based on your problem statement, whether it's a classification problem, regression problem, or clustering. You train your model using the preprocessed data to learn the underlying patterns. After training, you must evaluate your model using various metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. This evaluation phase helps in determining whether your model is ready for deployment or if it requires further tuning. Finally, once your model meets the desired performance metrics, you can deploy it into production. Section 2: What is a deployment pipeline? Now that you understand the lifecycle of an AI model, let's discuss what a deployment pipeline is. A deployment pipeline is a set of automated processes that allow you to build, test, and deploy your AI models smoothly and consistently. It serves as a bridge between development and production. By automating these processes, you reduce human error and significantly speed up deployment times. A well-designed deployment pipeline consists of several stages. First, you will have the build stage, where your model and its dependencies are packaged together. Next comes the testing stage, where you validate that your model works as intended and meets the necessary performance benchmarks. If the model passes all tests, you move into the deployment stage, where it gets released into the production environment. Finally, there is the monitoring stage, where you continuously track the model's performance and gather feedback for future improvements. Section 3: The role of CI/CD in AI deployment. This brings us to the important role of continuous integration and continuous deployment in the deployment pipeline. CI/CD is a set of practices that allows development teams to deliver code changes more frequently and reliably. In the context of AI model deployment, CI/CD enables you to automate the entire lifecycle, from model development to production. Continuous integration involves the practice of frequently merging code changes into a central repository. This ensures that your code is always in a deployable state. Every time a change is made, automated tests are run to ensure that the new code doesn't break existing functionality. This is particularly valuable in AI model deployment, where changes might affect the model's performance. On the other hand, continuous deployment takes CI a step further by automatically deploying every code change that passes the automated tests. This means that once your model is ready and has passed all tests, it can be pushed directly into production without any manual intervention. This not only speeds up the process but also reduces the risk of human error. Section 4: Setting up your deployment pipeline. Let's discuss how to set up an effective deployment pipeline for your AI models. The first step is to choose the right tools and frameworks. There are various tools available, such as Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, and CircleCI, which can help automate your deployment pipeline. Additionally, containerization tools like Docker can package your models and their dependencies, making them easier to deploy across different environments. Once you have your tools in place, the next step is to establish a version control system, usually with Git, to track changes in your code and model. This allows you to manage different versions of your models effectively and roll back if needed. Next, you will need to define your pipeline stages. This typically includes the build stage, where your model is packaged, followed by staged testing, comprehensive testing, and finally deployment. Each stage should have automated tests that validate the model's performance and ensure that it meets your business requirements. It's also crucial to incorporate logging and monitoring into your deployment pipeline. By logging model predictions and performance metrics, you can easily identify issues and make informed decisions about model retraining or adjustments. Consider tools like Prometheus for monitoring and Grafana for visualization. Section 5, Model Deployment Strategies. Once your pipeline is set up, you need to decide on a deployment strategy. There are several strategies you can consider, including 1. Blue-green deployment. This strategy involves maintaining two identical environments, one that is live, blue, and one that is idle, green. When you make updates to the model, you deploy it in the green environment and switch traffic over once everything is confirmed to be working. This minimizes downtime and allows for easy rollback if issues occur. 2. Canary deployment. With this approach, you gradually roll out the new version to a small subset of users before making it available to everyone. This allows you to monitor performance and gather feedback before a full-scale launch. 3. Rolling deployment. This method involves updating your application in phases, rather than all at once. By gradually replacing instances of the old version with the new one, you can minimize downtime and maintain availability. 4. A/B testing. In this strategy, you run two versions of your model simultaneously to compare performance. This is particularly useful for understanding how changes impact user behavior and can provide valuable insights for model improvement. Section 6, Challenges and Best Practices. Building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline is not without its challenges. One of the primary challenges is ensuring that the pipeline remains flexible and adaptable to changes in data or requirements. As new data comes in, you may need to retrain your model or adjust your pipeline accordingly. Another challenge is ensuring model performance in production. Real-world data can be noisy and unpredictable, and your model may not perform as well as it did during testing. To address this, you should regularly monitor your model's performance and implement a system for retraining and updating the model based on new data or feedback. To overcome these challenges, consider implementing best practices such as regularly updating documentation for your deployment pipeline to ensure all team members are on the same page. Establishing a feedback loop with stakeholders to gather insights on model performance and areas for improvement. Conducting regular training sessions for team members to stay updated on best practices and emerging technologies in AI deployment. Section 7, Conclusion. In conclusion, building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline is crucial for transforming your models from development to production seamlessly. CI/CD integration plays a pivotal role in automating the various stages of the pipeline, ensuring that your models are consistently tested and deployed with minimal human intervention. By carefully choosing the right tools, establishing a robust version control system, defining clear pipeline stages, and selecting appropriate deployment strategies, you can create a deployment pipeline that meets your organization's needs. Remember, the journey doesn't end with deployment. Continuous monitoring and updates are essential to ensure your models remain effective over time. As the field of AI evolves, so should your deployment pipeline. Embrace the challenges and best practices discussed today, and you'll be well on your way to successfully deploying scalable AI solutions. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline with CI/CD integration. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!